In this video, we'll go over how we find old video in Solink. We always start by selecting the video page. And once we're on the video page, you'll notice in the top left corner, we have a date and time as well as the word live. When live is selected, it will be highlighted in red, and that is the default view. So when I select any one of these thumbnails, it will pull me to a live video so long as that live button is highlighted in red. If I need to pull old video, I simply click on the date and time, and I click again to pull up a calendar view. Now when I click on any date, it will lock that in, and I can go down to the time here and select what time I would like video to start playing at. In this example, we'll select 9 a.m. So now I have May the 4th selected at 9 a.m. I click OK. And when it's locked in, it will display in the top left corner. Now I can simply navigate to my location and select a camera. And now you'll note that the camera is playing May 4th at 9 a.m. Underneath the video, we have two separate timelines. We have a half-hour timeline on top here and a 24-hour timeline at the bottom. Now let's say we needed to investigate some motion that took place before 9 a.m. We look at our 24-hour timeline and we'll note that there are some blue lines indicating motion that happened between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Now I can just highlight that on the 24-hour timeline, and when I click with my mouse, it will automatically bring me to that time frame. And then on the 30-minute timeline, I can see exactly where that motion happened. And when I hover my mouse over the 30-minute timeline, it will show me a preview of what's happening. So when I click on it, it will go directly to that motion. And I can even click the playback speed button to see what triggered that motion. As we saw somebody walking through there, I can go to the next event now. And again, I can click on the playback speed. And there we have it. Navigating to old video in Solink is very quick and easy to do, especially when you're looking at motion. We don't have to sit and watch hours of footage. We can just look at what the motion data is telling us to figure out exactly where we need to focus on when looking at any specific camera.